For larger companies, especially in manufacturing, wholesale distribution, trucking, and contracting, it's very common for your insurance company's risk control engineer to visit you on a regular basis. Now, regular means once or twice a year or maybe more frequently. And the title for this job will change from insurance company to insurance company, but this person's job is to not make your life miserable, but instead to help you reduce the chances of claims from occurring. Now, you may be thinking, well, that only benefits the insurance company. The fewer claims I have, the less they pay out and the more profit they make. Well, that is true, but the fewer claims you have helps you save money in two ways. The first and most obvious is that accounts with fewer claims than their peer group have much greater negotiating leverage when it comes to the renewal process. Whether you elect to renew with the current insurance company or test the marketplace and shop out your renewal, a cleaner loss run will be the golden ticket to lower premiums, even in hard markets compared to your peers. The second money-saving element is that with every claim you incur, you also incur out-of-pocket costs that are not reimbursed by your insurance. These are called indirect loss costs, and they come in the form of lost productivity, waste, impact to employee morale, regulatory fines and penalties, and a lot more. By some estimates, indirect costs may cost you as much as 4 times what the insurance company pays out on a claim. Beyond cost, though, is the basic fact that risk control helps you prevent claims, and most of these claims involve injuries to employees or customers or other third parties. Reducing the chance of an event that involves human pain and suffering should be enough of a reason to work with insurance company loss control specialists. Here's the bottom line. When it comes to insurance company risk control reports and recommendations, it may seem like another hassle to deal with, but most of the time, these recommendations can help improve your company's productivity and profitability. Are you not sure how to comply with recommendations? Do you feel overwhelmed or you just don't know where to start? This is where your broker can earn their commissions and get involved. Often, you'll get a letter with a handful of recommendations that you really don't understand. I get it. Your job may be manufacturing widgets. Why would you know the value of contractual risk transfer protocols, as an example, or any other recommendation? Your broker, if they're skilled and worth their salt, can step in as the intermediary to help you understand what risk control is asking you to do, but more importantly, what the outcomes will look like and how it will benefit you to comply. I like to view risk control recommendations as projects that have an end goal to completion in mind. You don't need to go at it alone. So work with these recommendations as projects that are accomplished 1 per quarter, as an example, makes the task less daunting. Get your broker involved. That's what they're there for, and that's what they get paid for. And if your broker doesn't know what to do or how to help, maybe you've outgrown your broker relationship and it's time to look for a new one. I hope you'll consider giving me a call. Here's a final word on risk control recommendations. Failure to complete recommendations can lead an insurer to non-renew your policies, especially if claims that could have been prevented do occur. Getting replacement insurance is going to be tough since most large accounts are inspected for loss control prior to quotes being released. And if your risk control inspectors see the same types of risk issues that your current insurance company is non-renewing you for, it's going to be difficult to even get a quote. So, if you don't understand risk control recommendations, or you're procrastinating on getting them done, or you don't know where to start, take this seriously and ask your broker for assistance. If they can't help get it done, start looking at replacing your broker. Want to chat further about how I work with middle market clients on these sorts of issues? Let's chat. You can find my contact info in the description box below, and there's a link there where you can book a call directly on my schedule. Let's chat. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you.